Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students. Okay. Now Mrs. Sadat is going to show you how to make a car from these folding papers. These two folding papers. Well, I like my car to be red. I like red. So I'm choosing red papers. Now this one, black, is going to be the tires. Alright? Now, if you like different colors, you may pick the colors that you like. Alright, now let's get to our business. Now, I would like to begin with the tools and also the materials that you have to prepare. So for the materials we need these two papers, okay? And then we need also glue, we need marker, and also we need scissors for the tools. All right, now how do you make it? The very first thing that we need to do is, let's say Bismillah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let's fold the paper. Okay, fold it in half. Just like that. And then we are going to make a bit of a pinch here around here to make a little flap. Okay, so just about one pinch. Now there. Okay, fold it, fold it, fold it. Now we are going to draw our car because I like sedan. I'm going to draw my sedan here. So that is my sedan. Okay, and there you go. All right. Now we are going to draw. Now, so we have the door here and there. Okay, next thing that we are going to do is we need the wheels for our cars. So we need this paper. Now, to make the wheels, you are going to need to fold this paper in half like that. And then you need to make a circle. Now, if you need some help to make the circle, you can use a bottle cap. Okay. Now, Mrs. Sarat is going to make the circle. Now, that. Remember, if you are not confident enough to make the circle, use the bottle cap to do that. Now, let's cut our circle. Cut. When you are using scissors like this, it's better for you to go slow. Okay? Go slow and be very careful. If you are not confident enough to use the scissors, you may ask your mommy's help or your daddy's help. Now we've got two wheels. Now we are going to put our wheels just right here. Okay? Yeah, just like that. Okay, I think I'm going to need a smaller wheel, so I'm just going to adjust my wheel just a little bit. Okay, to make it a little bit smaller because the wheels are a bit bigger. Make it smaller, yes, like that. So now I have the wheels over here and also over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it. Now there. And then here. Now, very good. Now we've got two wheels. The next thing that we are going to do now, we are going to cut along this line. All right, let's say Bismillah again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah. One more time. Be very careful when you are using scissors. It's better for you to go slow and be very careful. Don't be rushed. If you are not confident enough working with the scissors, you can always ask your mommy's or your daddy's help. All right? Ah, there you go. Very good. Now, what we are going to do now, we are going to put glue along these edges here. Okay, Bismillah. And there, 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 right there. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now, we are going to need to fold a little bit over there, and then we are going to stick these two flaps together. So now we have our car ready. There you go, that is my car. But I think I need to add some more decoration here. What if my car is smiling? I want my car to be smiling. Okay, so that is my smiling car. Okay, everyone. Nah, that's all for now. Inshallah, I'll see you again next time in the next tutorial video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.